In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use an American Express gift card on Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to go over the steps to follow if you want to link an American Express gift card to Cash App, and also I'm going to go over some details about whether or not you can do this with every single American Express gift card available. So, to start the process and see if your specific American Express gift card is eligible, all that you have to do is go over to the latest version of Cash App, sign into your account, and from the home screen of the app, tap on your account icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will be redirected to your account information page where you can find the Linked Banks option. It is inside of Linked Banks where you can attempt to link the American Express gift card. You will be able to determine on whether or not your specific American Express gift card is valid when you choose the option to link a debit card or a credit card. I recommend that you try out on both because sometimes you might be able to get it working on only one of these options. So when you tap either of those options, you will have to include a card number, the expiration date, the security code, which is the 3-digit code at the back, or sometimes more than 3, and finally a zip code. As long as you input all of that information based on the American Express gift card that you have and you tap continue, it is going to give you a message. It's either going to tell you that the card was successfully linked and it is going to appear immediately under your linked banks, or most of the time it is going to give you an error telling you that the card is invalid and that it couldn't be added to Cash App. If you get an error, then unfortunately there isn't anything that you can do. Most American Express gift cards will not be accepted inside of Cash App. However, because the steps to try it out and see if your specific card can be linked are so simple, I decided to go over them. So just follow these steps and you will be able to quickly determine on whether or not your card is eligible. I hope I was able to help you on how to use an American Express gift card on Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.